Hi, back on the case with M0YKS and the secret package. Yeah, this has travelled all the way from the US. Basically, like I said in the last video, if you haven't seen the last video, I mentioned that I've recently been contacted by a company which manufactures radio equipment or radio accessories, and they're wanting to know if I was interested in reviewing their products, testing them out, putting them through the paces, and obviously said yes, which anybody would. So it's going to be a great opportunity for you guys to see what's happening, and I'm just going to open up the box. I'll tell you a little bit about the company in a minute. So yeah, if you haven't checked the blog out yet, I've been running the blog for quite a number of years, since 2006. Got a lot of followers on there, and there's a lot of good information relating to amateur radio. So I know a lot of you guys have already seen it. But for you guys who've just recently started following M0YKS on YouTube, you can catch the vlog and see what I'm doing most of the time. It's a little bit more regularly updated. I've also got a site which is linked off it. Well, all that again is available through the blog. So it's www.hamradiooperator.blogspot.com. I'll put a link at the end of the video again. But yeah, the package, taking a bit of unpacking, but I'm not surprised. It's been travelled across the Atlantic. We're getting there. Any guesses yet? I wonder, where's it come from? Which company? Well, we're almost about to reveal. All I'll say is, I've got some equipment from this company already. I've been using it for a number of years. I've had a couple of items that work very, very well. A lot of you guys will be familiar with the company, and it's a real privilege to be able to test this piece of kit and see what's happening. So I've looked at the product online. I'll be honest, I don't know that much about it, so I'm going to have to read the instructions and get familiarised with it properly before I actually make a video showing it working. But for now, I'm just going to put you out of your suspense. Tell you the company's West Mountain Radio, and they make some awesome equipment. I've got a Rig Blaster Plus, which is on the top of my FT1000, just sat there. I use it for data modes, SSTV. If I want to record a station and send the sound of the audio back, I can use it using that. Really good piece of kit. It's a little bit old as that one, but it works fine. I recently had to buy a new serial connector for the PC because I've updated the PC to Windows 10, and the old serial adapter didn't have the right chipset in there. So for about £10 English money, I got myself the latest chipset serial adapter, which plugs straight into the back of the Rig Blaster Plus. So I don't know if any of you guys have had problems on Windows 10 with some of the slightly older accessories. That's just one that I thought I'd mention. Look it up, get yourself the latest chipset serial adapter. Here we are. So fingers crossed it survived the journey in one piece. Now a case of unwrapping and having a quick look at this then. So I've been told that this is the latest product for 2017, and it's not yet really made a breakthrough. It's new, so not a lot of you guys know about it. I'll tell you now, it's a voltage test and meter that measures your power output when you're transmitting, and tells you how much amperage you're using, how much wattage you're putting out, how many volts is running, things like that. It's called a PWR check. It's the latest piece of kit from West Mountain Radio, and like I said, I'm not going to pretend to know anything about it, because at this present moment in time, all I can tell you is what's arrived in the box, and it looks like a nice piece of kit which is going to locate very nicely in the shack. So we've got the item there, we've got a port on the back, and we've got a couple of inputs for the load. We've got a source input on that side there. We've got a backlight button, which does have a couple of functions, a display format button, the PWR check. So I'll let you get a close up of that. That's looking nice. And like I said earlier, I mentioned the serial adapter, which is the old type of connection for computers, which is getting a little bit difficult to keep up to date now with all the modern adapters. So this one comes with the latest USB 2 adapter, which obviously is a lot more convenient when you're using the latest computerized equipment and so forth. So yeah, we've got some other little bit bobs and pieces to connect to your cables, which you're going to put on the equipment you're going to be testing. I'll be trying it, hopefully, if I've got my if I understand what it's used for properly. I'll probably be running it with a linear amplifier on the 50-watt power supply, see what happens on that. I recently got the linear amplifier for my birthday, hit the big 5-0, and my partner bought me the linear amplifier, and my mum bought me my power supply. So it's all good in the shack, and time goes on for everybody. So still here, still doing radiooperator.blogspot.com, and obviously M0YKS/20HTS YouTube. So here we have the manual. Looks nicely made, nicely put together. Very good print and nice quality feel. So you can obviously keep this one for forever. Like, it's not going to perish like some of the paper copies that I've had from some of the radios I've got. So yeah, it's telling me all about it, which obviously I'm going to have to read in great detail before I even consider putting any switches or any wires or anything where. Yeah, we've got a CD, so I'll be putting that in the PC later on. We'll have a look at that, see what's going on. And like I said, a few little bobs and pieces which look like they're obviously for putting on the cables, which I shall be putting in line. And then we've got a little bit of paperwork which I'm going to look at. So that's an excellent product to be testing and reviewing for the next 6 months, and I'll be showing you how it works and what it's all about. And obviously at the same time we'll be making some nice contacts. And the propagation wise, I've not been as active as usual. I've had a few projects on. I've been restoring a Kawasaki, I've been welding transit vans, and obviously I've been hanging on with the family, and I've also got 2 new pups. So things have been busy, and it's been quite a nice summer so far, so I've been making the most of it. But obviously as the autumn comes, I'll be active, and I'm going to be active now testing this out over the next few months. So you're going to see quite a lot of me. So thanks for watching the video. Look forward to checking out the latest product from West Mountain Radio Company, and obviously I'm going to be giving it some stick and seeing what PWR check is all about. So 73s, have a good one. Catch you next time from M0YKS.